To improve the growth rate, the number one thing which we would need is, uncertain times have to change into certain times. The certain times will come only when we have a clear policy. We are very, very hopeful that the Consumer Affairs Department within the Government of India will be looking at a policy soon. The same was announced by the Honorable Minister on the 4th of December, for which we are very grateful that at least we are heading in a right direction.
Why are the direct sellers are decreasing day by day?
The thing is that the direct selling is a opportunity which is a part-time business opportunity. Most of the direct sellers join it as a part-time opportunity, and even when we talk about business opportunity, the way companies engage with the direct sellers initially is with a part-time opportunity. Slowly, once they feel that the business has reached a critical mass, then only then only it is the wish of a direct seller to decide whether he or she wants to go to a full-time or not. And what we are seeing that if we look at any business, any entrepreneurial success, the success is only under 10 digit. You will not find that there are a lot of entrepreneurs within other industries also if they get 100% success. No, it's mostly a single digit success. The same thing applies to the direct selling industries also. So what the reason that a lot of people leave the industries also, because it is not that everybody is successful. So we are saying that the successful direct sellers are under the range of a single digit, maybe till starting from 4 to 8 or 9%.
And can we expect this Hyderabad to be in next top 10 in the next year?
We are still no. If you ask me, I am just looking that we stay at number 8. I don't want to go out of the top 10 top 10 states or top 10 cities within India. We want to stick at number 8, and I am hopeful that companies will look at doing more training programs, and even if facing huge challenges, because there are at times people are not allowed to meet, people are not allowed to talk, then how is the companies can come together and do work? That is very critical.
Ma'am, in the regions of Northeast, the growth rate is very good. When compared to South, why there is much growth in Northeast?
The thing is, if we compare these regions, over the last 7-8 years, South was the number one market right from the beginning. From last 3 or 4 years, we are looking at a dip in the South, primarily on account of regulatory unclarity and the challenges, unique challenges which this particular area faces. Northeast is developing. It is a society in which women make a big role over there. Also, they are far more self-conscious vis-a-vis other parts of the country. So, and because also Northeast does not have many other business opportunities or employment opportunities, because of which we are seeing a growth in Northeast particularly.
Apart from wellness and healthcare products, what are the major products we have?
Color cosmetics, yeah. After the wellness, it's not that we can focus. We can produce. The focus will come on the products which are going to be sold. So right now the focus is on wellness. Also, primarily, if you look at India, we are a country where we are having diabetes. We are having blood pressure at the age of 30, 32. We are having heart strokes at 35. What is the solution? The solution is that we take care of our bodies, which is going to come from wellness industry, on account of which wellness is growing. It is that you are at the right time, in the right market, and you're selling the right product. And the wellness, since it is a consumption pattern which is internal to our body, we are more conscious, and we should be more conscious. So direct selling makes a way into it, because the products are sold in a face-to-face manner. So if you are prescribed, if someone is trying to sell a product to you, then they are talking about what are the benefits of taking this product, how it will reduce your blood sugar levels, how it will do this, which is very rarely explained across the counter.
Ma'am, do you think the growth rate will be just moving in the same average ratio, or?
I am looking that it will not be a huge change. We are looking that we grow consistency, even if we see like a 2 to 3% of increase. At least even in challenges, the important point is that even in these times, we are there together. We are still sticking on. We are not just trying to close or shut shop and leaving. So even if there is one step forward, even if we reach at a 5 or a 6%, at least we are growing.
After the Make in India campaign, do you think it will be some development in this?
Absolutely, for sure, and direct selling, see, it is a win-win thing for the companies also, because if you are manufacturing in India, then the production cost will also reduce, because the import duty will not be there, right? And if the production cost will be less, the products will be at a lesser price, which is also, some of the points which have been raised by some consumers, that they feel that some of the products within the direct selling basket are expensive. But what I'm saying is that, if we go to the root of the product development, you will find lot of histories. The amount of patents which these companies have are not these kind of patents are not with other companies. Also the kind of production which they control. The development of the seed, the development of the entire volume which they give, and the growth pattern, and the technology which goes in growing these products is absolutely fabulous, which we can vouch on.
Any last word about it?
Last word is, let's all of us come together and see what best solution we can find for the industry. We all are perfect. What you think is right, what I think is right, what Amway thinks is right, all of us, all the companies, whether it is Amway, Oriflame, Herbalife, they all are thinking correctly. We are thinking correctly. All what we need to do is form a consensus as to how we can move forward and find a solution. There is nothing which cannot be resolved sitting across the table. So now is an appropriate time where we should come sit across the tables and move forward. Thank you.